Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Many of the Karnataka TET aspirants have been messaging me and asking this one big doubt that, Madam, which books we have to read to prepare for Karnataka TET? See, actually reference books they have not uploaded in the Karnataka TET website still. But I remember last year they have uploaded this reference books list. So I am giving you that list here. Please watch this short video carefully and understand about which book you have to follow to prepare for Karnataka TET. Suggested reference books for Karnataka TET 2022. This is so good, right? This is given by the government itself, means the people who are conducting this exam, they are giving you the reference books, they are suggesting you. It's too good, right? You just to follow this suggested reference books and you read those books to clear the exam. See, they have given for each and everything. First they are given for Kannada Bhashe. This is a Kaddaya paper, right? It's a compulsory paper. Means it's a compulsory paper for first language Kannada people. It is like that, okay? Then English, it is also a compulsory paper. Means two languages are compulsory, right? Language 1 and language 2. It could be any language. It depends on what is your first language and second language, what language you are taking. So they have given books, they have suggested here for all that languages, okay? Like for Kannada Bhasha they have given, then for English language they have given, then they have given for Urdu, Tamil also they have given, Telugu they have given, Marathi they have given, then Hindi is given, then Sanskrit language is given, then they have given books for educational psychology and child development. They have given this list of books. You can follow these books. These books are from NCERT and some other books are there. They have given the name of the author and publication here. Next, they have given reference books for science and mathematics. The first reference they have given is from class 1 to class 12 science and mathematics textbooks and workbooks of state and NCERT curriculum. Then DED and BEd course material. Then ICSE concise mathematics class 8th to class 10th books. Then CBSE science textbooks 7th to 12th. And also IGCSE books also they are telling. See, if you want CBSE books, you can get them online very easily. If you want, I'll give the link in the description. You can go to that link and you can download the textbooks free of cost easily. It is very nice, very easy. You can download all the CBSE science textbooks. Then mathematics 9th and 10th class R.D. Sharma and 9th and 10th class A.S. Agarwal. Then NCERT books they have given National Curriculum Framework for School Education 2005. Then they have given some more NCERT books, the National Curriculum Framework for School Education. They have also given this a text on teaching mathematics, Mangal S.K. Prakash Brothers Educational Publishers. Then skills and strategies of teaching mathematics, Anis James Neelkamal. Then content-based methodology of teaching mathematics, DEd second year, Vijay Lakshmi Prakashan. So these are the books. CBSE books, so I have told you, you can easily download from that website. I will give the link in the description. Then they have given reference book for social science also. If they are social science aspirants, then you have to follow these books. Okay. So this was about the reference books they have given in this website.